This one. The legend.
This is so funny.
Appreciate. Yeah, man. You want to play already? Last night. You want to play about last night?
We didn't see you. We just came back just to see you.
Oh, you've done
So boy, that's my brother. Definitely.
Yeah, man. Yeah, but tell me the whole vibe, you know?
What time we going on?
I think whenever them say going on. Yeah, when you get to this part of the year, you don't make too much things worry about.
You go with the flow.
They say go, you go. You can say they have an 800 or something line up, so I'm waiting for that. The other one they say go, go. Yeah. Too much things worrying about my people, so they're about
But I really wanted you to meet them.
She is like the link that makes all this happen. So definitely, she's like the one, you know.
Yeah.
Respect that. This has to be everything. This is last week. Oh.
yeah, man. Yes. Yeah, man, good stuff.
Yes.
Cool.
Ready. Yeah, that's here.
I'd love you to connect with.
Yes.
Some.
English people there,
Which part is it? NBC, I feel like
yeah, local.
Sir?
Shaggy, so was it you or was it you? Was it you or was it you?
Sorry that I'm still asking. Yeah, here.
Me too.